don't know what I should do, and I wish you would be right here with me. My mind is filled with pictures of when we used to dance, but now I don't know where you are. I miss you so bad, won't you come back to me? I've got you in my head, you're all that I see. I've lost all my chances, I know that I am too late. I'm thinking of you, I'm thinking of you, I'm thinking of you, wondering if you're thinking about me too. Now it's too late, now it's too late. I'm out of time, but I'm still thinking of...
Hi everyone, and welcome back to Chelles Glam Home. Well, today I'm excited to be participating and co-hosting the International Fall Wreath Challenge. I've teamed up with some lovely ladies from around the world. First we have Kiki's DIYs, then Style with Pat.
So much better.
Also Jenny and Diane from DECOR Easy, as well as Ruth from Kentucky Fried Fun and Mom from MOMDAS Live. Now we put an invitation out a few weeks ago for you to come up with a beautiful fall wreath. So today guys, I thought I'd share with you my DIY. I recently picked up this gold ring wreath from Spotlight Australia. Now I've always admired these wreaths, but I wanted to add a few of Chelles' touches to it. I'm a lover of these beautiful fuchsia colours guys, and I fell in love with this beautiful fuchsia flower from Big W. I also had some pink flowers from Kmart that I already had in my home. Now my aim here guys was really simple. I wanted to add these beautiful colours together and add them to my wreath. Now it wouldn't be a shell video without a touch of bling, so I took this dollar store rhinestone and hot glued it to the centre of the flower. I then hot glued everything in place.
I've told my mother, I've told my friend, but I can't bring myself to tell you what I think. We build a past.
Now I also wanted to add a few little fall touches. Now I had these little styrofoam mini pumpkins guys from last year. I covered the tops of them in glitter, and what I did is I just hot glued one to each side. Now off camera I also took some turquoise ribbon. I tied a bow and hot glued it to the top, and took these dollar store flowers and hot glued them to the centre.
But still my heart is playing on a single string. We had a mission, we had a plan, but tiny changes can be hard to understand. My harmonies are broken, it's like I lost my way.
Guys, this would probably be one of the most simplest things to date that I've ever done, but I absolutely love how it came. While I'm out shopping, I'm always looking at things that may need a shell touch. This was a typical example. I've always admired these ring wreaths, and I knew that I could put a stamp on it with my own style.
And I wished upon the stars when suddenly I heard you sing. My harmonies are broken, it's like I lost my wings. My heart is only playing on a single string.
Guys, leave me a comment down below what colours you're choosing to decorate this fall. I'm really drawn to this beautiful fuchsia dark pink colour, guys. It's going around, it's definitely on trend, but I'm really drawn to it. I actually love how it goes really well with my turquoise decor as well. So I'm definitely going to try to decorate with those colours.
I gambled every token. I thought that we could win, but still my heart is playing on a single string. But still my heart is playing on a single string.
Guys, leave me a comment down below if you're excited for the fall season. Now, even though it's winter here in Australia, I definitely like to play along when it comes to pumpkin decorating. I decorate with my pumpkins right through to Halloween, and I love sharing these ideas with you.
How many smiles does it take to be happy? How many times do you have to feel lonely before you get the chance to meet someone?
Let me know in the comments if you're excited for cozy nights by the fire and hot chocolates, because I'm enjoying them right now, guys. And it is such a cozy atmosphere when you have all your little pumpkins out and you're sitting by the fire, you've got your hot chocolate. Love it.
Maybe I just found the answers in you. Come give me all your love. I want you to know we can make it together. Let the wind blow. All we need is each other. Come take my hand. You're all that I have now. I won't let you go, 'cause I found all the answers in you.
Guys, be sure to check out the lovely ladies I'm co-hosting with today. I'll leave links to their channel down below, as well as check out all the other YouTubers who have participated in this wonderful collaboration. I'll leave a link to that playlist down below also.
Take me away. I'm okay if I got you. We don't have to stay. We can do what we want to. Just give a little bit of your heart. Give a little bit of your heart to me. All of my scars start to heal when I'm with you, and I can't explain how I feel when I'm with you. Just give a little bit of your heart. Give a little bit of your heart to me.
If you're new to my channel, welcome. My name's Michelle, but most people call me Chelles. I'm the creator of Chelles Glam Home.
We can make it
I love to share with you inspirational ideas on DIY videos that you could recreate.
take my hand. You're all that I have now. I won't let
Maybe you can take some inspiration from a simple thing that I've done in a tutorial, and you could use that in your home as well. Now guys, if you'd like, you can follow me over on Instagram as well. I'm at CHELLESGLAMHOME too. I post daily pictures, guys, of YouTube updates, inspiration from decorating my home glam, and I throw in a little bit rustic and farmhouse as well. So if that's something that would interest you, I would love for you to follow along. So thank you so much for watching, guys. I truly hope you've enjoyed this video. I'd love for you to go over now and check out those other channels, as well as the playlist. Go right through the playlist, guys, and get some inspiration for your fall wreath decorating.
before you get to meet someone like you.
A big shout out to my beautiful co-hosts. Girls, thank you so much for inviting me. It was a pleasure to co-host with you.
How to go when you're fed up with mistakes. Maybe I just found the answers. Maybe I just found the answers in you.
So guys, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel because I'll be back real soon with more DIY projects, inspirational ideas and room tours here at Chelles Glam Home.
Let the wind blow. All we need is
So until next time my friends, I thank you so much for watching and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye guys.